Now that your fire is lit, it's time to cook. First, place your collar on top of your fire pit once your fire is burned down to most of the coals. Be sure any attachments are locked into place. While being careful of potentially sharp edges, your pizza stone is naturally susceptible to sudden temperature changes. To avoid any issues, make sure your pizza stone is not cold, and that the fire is not roaring when you attach the pizza oven to the collar. The fire pit should be filled with glowing coals now, so put in one log at a time to let the pizza oven heat up slowly. It should take the oven about 20 minutes to reach our recommended cooking temperature of 750 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oven reaches its optimal temperature, it may take a few minutes for the stone to become soot-free. Don't worry, it's perfectly safe to cook on before that happens. If the gauge reads over 750 degrees, give the oven a couple minutes to cool down before you start cooking. Like in our fire pit instructions, it's important to not overfill. If the oven doesn't seem to be heating up, just add one log and wait for the temperature to go up. It will be too hot for cooking if too much fuel is added. Whenever possible, try to finish spreading your dough directly on the pizza peel you plan to use. Throwing some cornmeal on your pizza peel before you spread your dough on it will keep the pizza from sticking. For best results, spread your pizza dough to about 1/4 of an inch thickness. Every 30 seconds, turn your pizza to ensure even cooking. Depending on temperatures, your pizza should be done in 1 to 3 minutes. To avoid soot on your pizza, don't add any fuel while a pizza is cooking. When you do add fuel, allow the fire 2 to 3 minutes to burn down before starting another pizza. Now get out there and enjoy a slice on us.